Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. If you've ever felt like your home should be beautiful and actually work for the way you're living right now, then you're on the right channel. Now today I'm continuing on with my 7-day Tablescape Christmas. Now today's theme is a white Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing how my Tablescape came out for this white Christmas, you know what to do. Stick around.
First Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd.
Now on this white Christmas, I thought it would be really pretty. I like the gnomes. I was in love with gnomes at one time, and I found these gnomes. These gnomes I ordered offline, and I cannot remember where I got them from, but the white snowflakes came from Hobby Lobby. The silver placemats, they came from Hobby Lobby. My mind went blank. Those silver chargers, I won those in a giveaway from a YouTube sister a few years back. The plates and the saucers came from the Dollar Tree, as well as the glasses, the stemware, and the flatware came from Temu. Now, the napkins and the table runner, they came from the Tablecloths factory, and the napkin rings came from eBay. So everything I'm using, it was already in my stash. Now let me know what you thought of my White Christmas down below in the comments. You know I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope that you feel inspired to create a space both beautiful and perfectly for you on a budget. Now don't forget you can contact me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links will be down below. I love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.